Project location, Gerona. Sliding wardrobe, wood finish. Thank you for choosing and trusting Luis Glass and Aluminum Windows and Doors. Same-day installation, free delivery, and free installation, all in negotiable price, free estimate. Can provide OR, official receipt, DTI, and BIR, accredited. Luis Glass and Aluminum Services. Quality works, high-quality materials, rust-free, easy to maintain. Durability lasts up to 30 years. We offer glass and aluminum services, sliding window, vanity mirror and awning type window, fixed glass window, sliding door or pocket type, screen door, aluminum door, car door, front store, wardrobe, hanging cabinet, undersink cabinet, partition, top glass, shower enclosure, wall mirror. For other details, please feel free to contact us for inquiries, and we'll be happy to assist. Luis Glass and Aluminum Works. Text or call the number below. Smart 0950483545 or 092077866651. Thank you and God bless.